So, do you know what I miss? I miss the days when cell phones used to let you play your music in the background of when you're recording. I miss those days. Why did they take that away? If you have a phone that's a more current phone, doesn't have to be new. I'm over those days. That still allows you to do that, let me know. I would love to know, because not that I want my music blaring in other people's ears, but sometimes it would just be fun. Get a little jig in, embarrass my boys. Today is a exciting yet sad day. I am finishing this bad boy. I think it's awesome. Well, it's almost time to find it a home. So if you would like this bad boy in your house, feel free to let me know. It's beautiful, I think. Of course, I'm a little biased. I like to think that I'm not being biased. I think it's beautiful. It's not too heavy, but it would probably be a little pricey to ship. But if you want it and you love it and you have the money for it, come adopt it. And then be sure and tag me in a picture of it in your home, office, wherever that might be, and so I can put your name into a drawing to possibly win a free piece. And just so you know, I really despise these masks. I suffocate myself. Beautiful still. All right, now time to let it dry. Give it one more wipe down, and then the last coat, and then it's done and off for the next house. It's kind of a sad, bittersweet moment, because this is one of my favorites. And just so you know, right when I hit stop, I knocked the crap out of my head with this thing. It felt awesome. Brilliant!